Okay.
Oh, they're getting blue.
What you got?
Hi, Dave.
Oh. Can I have a sip?
Sure. I'll take a video.
Yummy.
It's so dark.
Okay, let's go. We chickened out and called Daddy to come pick us up.
Chickened out. Look for Dad.
No.
What?
Okay, come on, let's go meet Daddy. Come on. You want to walk up that hill or you want to ride?
Ride.
Okay, then let's go.
I'll go there, okay? Such a pretty. I came here all.
Do you even remember living there?
Yeah. I mean, no.
You were a tiny, tiny baby. We moved from that house when you were a year and a half. Okay.
And that was so old.
Okay, say bye for now. I'm turning it off.
Bye.